Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Mashuduma Sutam. The JSE ended the day flat but to the positive on 32,661 points. We spoke to Wayne McCurry from RMB looking at the markets.
In fact, the market was quite interesting today. There were a couple of factors, but the big ones were Chinese government increased their bank's reserve requirements at around about our lunchtime. Now, the markets worldwide didn't like this. Now, what this actually means is two things. Growth is too high in China and inflation's beginning to become a problem there. So I think overall it's actually quite good news, but markets didn't like it simply because it's raising interest rates or raising reserve requirements. So all markets worldwide, including US futures, came down, a reasonable amount. But then some data came out of the US, industrial production, and related to that, capacity utilization, which were both quite a bit better than expected. And that's given us this rally now. So basically markets worldwide now are flat.
Today, the LSE was up by nearly 1% to close at 27,265 points. We spoke to Bankole Odusanya, fixed income expert of United Bank of Africa, looking at the market today.
Had about 55 gainers compared to 17 losers. That's in stock prices. What we're seeing is a basic reversal of what happened in the last quarter of last year, where prices continued to decline. That was mainly because people tried to take their profits or spreads as marginal as they were. But what we're beginning to see now is a basic reversal. You want to consolidate and then go back in. People are beginning to take positions, of course, go long, maybe not too long, maybe in the next one quarter. When results come out, you see significant increases in the prices, and then people probably stay in or take profits, as I said earlier on. So we'll expect fluctuations. But the banks are doing very well right now because of the AMCON coming to action and then swapping AMCON bonds with bad debts, as we expected.
The NSE 20 closed down 12 points today to end at 4,551 points. For an update on the market, we spoke to Wayaki Yinga, an independent analyst with Wayaki & Associates.
Where we are in terms of the month, we are at the midway point. And then if you notice, there are more of the domestic investors exiting, and you notice there's been a lot of interested foreign investors. One of the things that you need to notice is that it's actually culminating around that period where first, what you call the Form 1 selection process has been ongoing. Students who are in what is called Class 8 are now about to join Form 1, and some of the parents are now in preparation for the schools that the children have been accepted. There's that extra bit of cash that you've kept aside, in the sense of you have your stocks and you have a bit of deposits, which is now you're realizing it to be able to now put towards the first term school fees, so to speak.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.